Yes, this is Jamaican Girl TV. We just the crew, just Philadelphia, right at Rocky. Where is Rocky? Is train. This is Jamaican Girl TV. See right here. We are the crew, camera guys. He's walking right here. This is Jamaican Girl TV.
Mama, y'all go ahead. I'm gonna wait right here. Alright? Yeah. I'm gonna wait right here.
Yeah, that is where Rocky train up on the step. I remember say Rocky have a movie where he run up on stairs, go right up. Philadelphia is a very beautiful place. She's a Jamaican Girl TV right there.
Yes, Jamaican Girl TV. Okay. Yes, guys. Look at it. Nice, beautiful. There goes Easy Boy for life, taking a rest. Look at all this. Wow. And what, look at all this bull right here, like it would buck you down. Ooh. But it's beautiful. Yes, guys, yes, yes, yes. Can't see that thing that very well. Look like directed by the state or something. And that fountain over there, it's gonna be turned on. Look at the full scene of Philadelphia, guys. Look at that tour bus. Yes, guys, yes. We wanna go over to there. Rocky steps over on the other side. Wow. We wanna go run up those steps. And the ice cream truck is everywhere, guys. And the bus, look at it, the tour bus. You can get a tour bus to tour when you come to Philadelphia. It's a great city to be in. Alright, guys, great city. Alright, nice. This is beautiful. I love the way they arrange it. Look at the boy with the thing. Nice. Great, guys, great. Lovely. I love that. Wow. And look at the city. Look at it. Oh, and there goes the American flag just waving in the air. Land of the free and the home of the brave, guys. Wow. We are going from side to side and looking at everything today. It's very sunny. All these months we are in the house, so we are out today. Jamaican Girl TV. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look at that guy on the horse. Look at it. Wow, look at this one with the fork right here. You know, they are warriors. Warriors, warriors, warriors. Yep. Wow. We are going over there, Easton. Come, Jay. We are going on the other side. You don't want... Okay, guys, this is the great city of Philadelphia. Wow, it's good to be out on a sunny day. Wow, 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 wow. You hear all different kind of stuff, horn blowing, sirens, all different kind of stuff when you're out. Jamaican Girl TV. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, great city of Philadelphia. Come, Easton. Yes, guys, we're waiting for the crossing. You got to be very careful when crossing. You have to wait for the signs. These cars are coming around very slow. Now work white.
Now go live, you don't know.
No, you want to just set it up.
Yeah. There is a crossing. Crossing.
Yeah, we are crossing, going up to Rocky. There goes Rocky. Wow, everybody's out today trying to get a picture. Oh, you wanna take my picture? Cut.
You know, we like, don't go like that.
Yes, guys, that's it. Statue right here, Rocky Balboa. From the movie.
Yeah, we're on Jamaican Girl TV right at Rocky.
Yeah, Rocky.
Those guys is taking a picture. Jamaican Girl TV can go and take some picture with you.
Yeah, but we have to have someone to take.
Come here.
You have to.
Yeah, Jamaican Girl TV.
Yeah, Jamaican Girl TV trying to take a picture beside
Rocky. That is Rocky statue.
Yeah, the movie Rocky Balboa.
To take a picture of Rocky. Jamaican Girl TV, a lot of people.
It's great, it's long, it's nice. Look at that car over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go here to the Heart Museum too.
Yeah, we have to join a line, guys. Then cut. Yes, guys, it's a beautiful day. Look at all this car coming around. It's nice to be out, just filling up the sun. Not where it goes.
Want to get the guy? Where you guys from?
Jamaica. So where you from?
Miami. I live here now.
You live in here?
My mom used to live here, but she passed on. So I stay here with my daughter. So I take pictures.
Oh, you take picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kids don't know Rocky. They don't know Rocky.
You know Rocky?
Kids don't know.
Oh. That is Jamaican girl. Here is
There
Rocky.
you go, there you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jamaican Girl TV with Rocky
Is it okay?
Balboa. Okay, this is the great city of Philadelphia. You need to be here. Okay. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice.
Happy with
Yes,
her.
the great city of Philadelphia, Rocky Balboa. Go check out the movie.
Hey, get one of y'all together, guys.
Yes, guys, we are gonna go on